Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from TCL device to TCL 20 Pro 5G. First of all, go into Play Store on both of them. Now you need to click on the search bar, type Send Anywhere, and download this app from this developer. Then open it. Click I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both of them. Now you need to select receive on 20 Pro and send on TCL device. After that, click on all of those dots and just send in order to send all of your files. It will take a while though, so I will go with only this one photo. Click send and tap on got it. From here we have two ways to connect. You can input this password over here and choose receive or scan QR code. In order to scan it, click on the scanning icon on 20 Pro, choose while using the app or only this time and point your device's camera at the code. Now we have to wait a bit. And as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. If you wish to check it out for sure, you can always go into some kind of files app, click on, in my case, images, and tap on Send Anywhere folder. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!